We're talking all things rare today with my next guest at the Total Wealth Symposium. Geoff Anandappa joins me. He's with Stanley Gibbons. It's the oldest stamp dealer in the world, correct?
That's correct.
So you're an expert in rarities.
Rare stamps, coins, books, antiques, the whole lot. We're based in London, England.
I'm really excited to speak with you today because I've been a stamp collector and coin collector for a very long time. So you're bringing up the inner child in me. I also know you're a speaker here at the conference, and we'll talk a little bit about how rarities can play a role in your portfolio. Yeah. But just a brief note on Stanley Gibbons.
Right. Yes. So we're based in London, England, established in 1856. So the oldest dealer in the world. We hold the royal warrant, so we deal with the royal family's collection, etc. We've been doing that for 100 years. So we're probably the best known. Yeah, the Queen has probably the biggest stamp collection in the world.
Have you met her personally? No, not yet, right? And I love the stamp the stamp tie you're wearing, which shows basically one of the rarest stamps in the world.
Yeah, this is called the inverted Jenny. It's probably the best known American stamp. The aeroplane here was printed upside down by mistake on just one sheet of 100 stamps. So recently one sold for about $1.3 million. So
when you come to a conference like this, people must be really interested in this topic, but how do you advise them? How do you start building, a portfolio of rarities?
Well, I think rare tangibles like collectibles, stamps, coins, books, etc. can be an important part of your portfolio. Doesn't have to be a large part, maybe 5% or less of your total investment portfolio, but they can give you very stable returns which are actually uncorrelated with the stock market or property or even gold. I'm very much in favor of people owning gold as well as equities and so on, but they also need to have a proportion in rare tangibles to act as a hedge against the volatility that you find in the other markets.
And what are some popular items right now on the market? What are people looking for?
Well, we promote, for example, ancient coins, Roman, Greek coins, also European coins as well, and also coins from the Middle East and Asia, and also rare stamps, obviously. So stamps from Great Britain, Commonwealth countries, as well as first edition books, limited edition artworks. So all these kind of things can be great part of your portfolio.
Now, is there something out there that you don't have yet that you'd love to have as part of your portfolio?
I'd love to have many things that I sell. Unfortunately, I can't afford many of them. I do buy some stamps and coins and artworks, etc. But yeah, it's unlimited what you could own.
Now, we're at the conference. Obviously, people come to the Total Wealth Symposium to get some guidance and know how to obviously build more wealth for themselves. Sure. What's the sentiment that you're feeling here from people? Well,
I think the overwhelming sentiment is uncertainty. What happened after Brexit, what is going to happen with the US elections. Right. People have no idea what is going to happen with the political world, economic world, etc. And that is why tangibles can be important, because as I said, it acts as a hedge. Collectibles are always going to be in demand somewhere around the world. We deal with collectors all around the world. So these kind of rarities, and we're talking about the top 0.1% of stamps and coins and so on, there's going to be a demand from them, from collectors, not investors around the world. So that is what keeps the prices stable. So people here are looking to buy into that. A few stamps, a few coins can give you more options when you're looking to sell items in your portfolio to make a profit. The other important point is, of course, that we're a British company, so our stamps and coins are priced in British pounds. Mm-hmm. So it's a great way for Americans to diversify out of the US dollar.
All right. Well, Geoff, best of luck, continued success, and thanks for stopping by.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for watching our coverage here from the Total Wealth Symposium. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com. Thanks for watching.